Alright, hello YouTube and welcome to the channel. Someone just asked me a question on the last video that I have uploaded regarding GoPro tradeup program. So someone asked me, like, is it possible to send the camera from, like, the old camera from one location and then get the new GoPro 8 or 7 or whatever the deal is on the other location? So the quick answer to this question is yes, you can do that. And then I won't take any responsibility for this one, this answer, because everyone should ask this question from the chat portal. In the first video, I have shown you how to verify this whole process and how to verify your camera, is it eligible, and then you can always ask them that is it possible. I would say that it is possible because I have asked them, because the condition is the situation was so that now I am in Finland and I am planning to go to US, but in the US store the camera is quite cheaper, like around 270 euros, and if you buy it from the Finland store, online store, it will cost you around 327 euros. So my initial plan was that I will send the camera from here and then I can get it delivered on the US address that I'll be visiting. But the problem is that I'll be there for around 1 week, so I'm not sure that GoPro will send the camera in that time. So because they promised that they will send the camera within 14 days of receiving the old camera, so in that case I'm not sure how this will gonna end up. So what I did, that I finally decided to buy it from the Finland store, even if like it takes time, but it will arrive at my original address. But if I choose the US address, it is quite possible, and it is possible that you can order your camera in a different location and it will arrive there. The main thing is that whenever you will order the camera, if you follow the second video of this series, you could see that when you sign up, you will put the address of the delivery of your new GoPro, and then it doesn't matter from where you send your camera to them. The main thing is that whenever you will send a camera, they will give you a UPS label, and depending upon your store, for example, if you checked out from a different store, then your camera will go to the warehouse in that country. So for example, if I am in Finland and I'm ordering the camera from the US store, so my camera will go to the US warehouse, not to the EU warehouse. But as I have ordered the camera from the Finland store, so now my camera is sent, the old camera is sent to the Netherlands warehouse. So it depends, like, from where are you sending, but it doesn't matter where are you sending it from. It depends, like, in which country you check out your new camera, and hopefully this will answer your question. Apart from that, in the second video I have shown you some part of the chat that I had with the GoPro customer support. Just to make my point more clear, I will share that what I actually had a discussion with them. So as you can see here, I asked them one question, that can I send the camera from Finland but receive the GoPro in US? Actually, I am traveling to US for a week, and then yeah, so I asked the same question, and the guy from the GoPro, he replied that I think you can sign up for the trade up in the GoPro US web store, but let me check first to make sure. And then he said, all right, you can sign up for the trade up in the US web store for it to be delivered to your address in the US. So you can sign up in whatever store you want, but the address should be of that country, of that store. And then I think this is more clear now. So before proceeding with this, I will ask you to please chat with the GoPro customer support online. I have shown you on the second video how you can do that. And once you have the chat in your email, and because this will be a confirmation, and if something goes wrong, then at least you will have some proof. Don't use this email as a proof. This is mine, so have your own evidence and own proof from the GoPro chat before sending your camera and receiving it to the new location. So thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel if you would like to know more about this program. I'll make more videos as well, and then of course I'll be unboxing the this GoPro Hero 8 that I hopefully will be receiving in a week or so. So thank you so much, stay tuned, and have a very nice day ahead. Bye.